Millions globally and 2 lakh people in India live with a life-limiting neurological condition called multiple sclerosis, MS. The disease affects their central nervous system, depriving them of their ability to perform simple everyday tasks like walking, cooking, bathing or the strength to hold a child. Their day-to-day struggle remains hidden and performing everyday tasks can feel like scaling an invisible mountain. One can't see and feel the burden MS patients carry. To bring a spotlight on MS, Roche Pharma India, in collaboration with the Multiple Sclerosis Society of India, MSSI, presents Walk in My Shoes, a public health awareness initiative to highlight the often invisible struggles of individuals living with this life-limiting neurological condition. Visit the hashtag Walk in My Shoes simulation zone installed in Bangalore at Brookfield Ecospace Park, Bellandur, near 1C, from 20 to August 22 to experience what it means to live with MS. One can also visit the simulation zone in Mumbai Phoenix Market City, Kurla, Atrium 5, LG Floor, from 22 to August 24 and at Select City Walk Mall, H&M Wing, Ground Floor, Socket, New Delhi, from 22 to August 24. These simulation zones offer visitors education through experience by recreating a sensory experience of 4 of the most commonly occurring MS symptoms: loss of balance, motor impairment, blurry vision, and loss of sensitivity, while bringing to the forefront the everyday hardships faced by MS patients.
Very good afternoon to everybody. My name is Arun and I'm a life wellness coach, and I've been living with multiple sclerosis, what we are here for the last 15 years. Now, like I've been telling everybody, there are two versions of it. One is the official and one is the unofficial. The official part is that 15 years back I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. Unofficial part is that I've been living with MS for the last 30 years. Now when I say 30 years, my first symptom was something called as nystagmus, where my eye goes right and left. Now, unfortunately or fortunately, what also happens is one of the symptoms of MS is tremors. So I had tremors in my head. So my head goes up and down. Now today, believe me, when I see everybody, there are so many mics here and there are so many people standing out here. For me, all of you are going in circles. So I don't know which part of, where you are actually standing for me to look at you and, talk to you about my, multiple sclerosis. Today, I'm part of the Multiple Sclerosis Society of India, and we have around about 3,000 people who are registered members with MS in India. But with a population of 140 crore people in India, estimated number of people who have MS is around about 4 lakhs. Now, when I say 4 lakh people, officially they say is 4 lakh. Now, this data that we have is more in the Tier 1 cities. The Tier 2 and Tier 3, they don't even know what MS is all about. There's very lack of awareness which is there for these people to understand what MS is all about. Now, look at it like this. You are diagnosed at the age of 30 or 25 or 30. That's when your life starts. Your adulthood starts, where you start working and where you plan to get married and where you plan to start a family. Now, what happens in this is that one, finding the number of neurologists in a Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities are very limited. 2 is that once you're diagnosed also, to confirm your diagnosis that you have MS, you have to take an MRI. Now, MRI on an average costs around about 20 to 25,000 rupees. So the person in the Tier 2, Tier 3 cities leaves it away. Even if he takes an MRI and he is confirmed with MS, the medication cost is so high. Just to be honest, I take 2 injections which cost me 1,60,000 every year. Now imagine if you are spending 1,60,000 on medication, and this is not a cure. It is just making sure that you're stable. Nothing else. No, the awareness right now is so low about multiple sclerosis that people don't talk about multiple sclerosis because of the social. One of the reasons is that the social stigma which is created, where they say, the person needs to start a career or they get married, and everything goes for a toss. So this is something that about MS. One of the things that I wanted to request to everybody is that, one, we need to create more awareness. Two is, we've been speaking with IRDA for the insurance part of it. MS is not covered by insurance. So it is a strong belief that if people having MS can get an insurance to help them, it will make a lot of difference to these people, and make sure that lot more people will come out and say that there is something called as MS that I have and I live with it. One point that I would like to make is that we are person with disability. We do not want sympathy. We want this empathy. And I'm sure with a program like what Roche is doing right now, where walk in my shoes, we can create a lot of effort in the society in general about MS, and people with MS are not looked down by anybody, saying that you are a person with disability, so you have to live with it. Today we also are talking to a lot of organizations, because the employment becomes next to zero. There's a lot of requirement of affordable accommodations which need to be done, and not many people are willing to understand that MS, in spite of MS, you can live the way you want to live your life. And I'm thankful to everybody for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.